Hey friends, welcome to Flight Test Tech. I'm Josh, and today we're going to be telling you everything you need to know about the new FT Easy ID. The FT Easy ID was created for those who are unfortunately not able to fly at a free location or remote ID is required. This could be whether you're a recreational pilot flying at a place that's not a FRIA, or if you're a 107 pilot and you need to have a remote ID module attached. We put a lot of heart into the FT Easy ID to make sure that it wasn't just about compliance, but it was also about making a better and unique experience for you. The FT Easy ID is one of the lightest, most affordable, yet feature-packed remote ID modules on the market. Weighing just 10 grams, you can power your remote ID from many different voltage sources, whether it's your receiver port, or a balance lead, or direct battery voltage. And you don't have to worry about damaging your FT Easy ID module by accidentally plugging in backwards because we built in reverse polarity protection. The FT Easy ID also features Bluetooth 4 and 5. Now, combining the integrated GPS and Bluetooth 4 and 5, we have many cool, unique features that have been added into this. My favorite feature is Find My Plane. We all know the feeling of accidentally flying into a cornfield, losing battery, losing orientation, and having to take that walk of shame. Using the FT app, you'll be able to spot your airplane, and using the countdown feature where it counts down the distance, you'll be able to walk right to it. We're also going to be adding many other unique additional features like pilot logbook, return to home if you used a flight controller, and also we're going to be recognizing and rewarding you through cool badges by flying consecutive days, by logging certain amounts of hours, and growing the hobby. The FT Easy ID can easily be mounted whether it's the bare circuit board through the 20x20 mounting holes. This can go onto a multi-rotor or a drone. Or if you have a 3D printer, you can 3D print your own case using the free STL files, or simply purchase a case from our store. If you're a drone pilot or you want to solder on your own leads, we also have a version of the FT Easy ID that has no connectors, so you can simply solder directly to it. Now we have a full instructional video playlist here for you, showing you how to register, how to deregister, how to get the most out of the different features, and how to mount it on your airplanes. And if you're watching this video right now, the FT Easy ID is now available in our store, but also through many of our favorite distributors for you to be able to put onto your airplane and fly compliant. Our passion is being able to grow the hobby, giving you the best experience possible. We are always going to be working as hard as we can to give you guys free and open locations where the FT Easy ID is not required. But if you do live in a location where you do need to use this, we want to make sure you have the best experience possible. Thanks so much for being part of the Flight Test family, and we'll see you next time.